Hi, I'm Paddy. I'm one of the contract managers here in the Edinburgh Depot.
Hi, my name is Natasha. I'm a graduate contract manager in the Edinburgh Depot.
Hi, my name's Dave. I'm a senior technical support engineer and field lecturer.
Hi, my name's Jamie Thompson. I'm a contracts engineer here in Edinburgh.
We cover our installations for the local authorities here, being Edinburgh and the Lothians consortiums, along with maintenance activities that could be faults, emergency attendances, and PIs and inspections. We also have a training department here, which one of our tech support guys, a field lecturer now, that we can cover courses for our guys for new starts or CPD development courses.
I currently help support the operations for maintenance, contract and installation.
My day-to-day work includes programming traffic signal controllers and helping out with the training of our future traffic transformers.
Coming in as a graduate to Unix Traffic has given me exposure to the ITS industry. There's been plenty of opportunities and development for my career.
As a team, we are contributing to carbon reduction in our cities.
I love my job because I progressed through field services into a management role.
To be a traffic transformer with Unix, you need to be flexible and adaptable.
Come and join us as a traffic transformer. For myself, I started as an apprentice and I moved into installation, then maintenance, and I progressed into a management position. I've been very fortunate in my role, but the opportunities are always there for you to progress in the business. So please come and join us. Right now we have a couple of installation opportunities in the Edinburgh office. Please apply and let's see how to take your career forward.